Yo, what is up guys? Today we are unboxing and I'm showing you guys two of the sneakers that we got recently from the two biggest names in Adidas collaborations. And yes, one of them is a Yeezy and the other one is an NMD. Let's get unboxing. Before we get to the sneakers, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for me, and that will be such an encouragement. And also for all of you who are subscribed, welcome back to the channel and I'm glad you're here. Now let's get on to the sneakers. First up, we have, of course, your typical Yeezy 350, but this is not your ordinary 350, or at least not ordinary here. This is the Yeezy 350 Antlia, and this is one of the region exclusive releases. And this was supposed to be a Europe release, or a European exclusive, but it was also released in the United States. Now let's take an in detail look on these sneakers. For the upper, we can see that it is your typical prime knit upper, and it gives you that comfortable upper. It's not stiff. The stripe on this Yeezy 350 is made from mesh and it is translucent, especially in this portion here. That's why you guys gotta be careful with what you're wearing, with the socks that you're wearing. But on this portion and on the back, there are slight coverings and slight cushionings that won't reveal your socks too much. Now, if you look at the color scheme, it has this yellow-green, this faded yellow-green colors with hints of blue, this bluish gray color, and it is just an amazing touch. And of course, on the laces you still get that same color scheme. When we take a picture of this Yeezy in the dark with the flash on, you'll notice that the laces are reflective, and of course the three stripes at the back tab here inside, but you don't really see that when you're wearing the sneakers. The midsole has this TPU cover, and it is in this faded, this lighter color, this lighter yellow from the uppers, and it just blends in very well with the overall color of the sneaker. But when we go to the outsole, we have this rubber outsole, and this is in like a gum color. I mean a gum sole color, like a light gum sole color. So it's like this tan color here, and it just adds a little bit of pop to the outsole. It's something you don't really see when you're wearing them, but it's a good touch. Of course, you get that extra tan color at the back, which is typical for all the Yeezy 350s. Of course, the white boost midsole is the best in the business. It is a very responsive midsole, and it gives you that right amount of cushioning and right amount of comfort when you're wearing them. That's why this is one of the competitors of the Ultra Boost, but of course it's more hype and more expensive, so people stick with the Ultra Boost, like me. So on the newer releases, we can see at the back that we don't have that pull tab, and you guys can see that it is different from other releases because I reviewed a Yeezy Zebra. Go check that video out. And I also picked up a Yeezy Israfil, and that one didn't have a pull tab like this one. Now let's go to the artist that explores the full spectrum of colors that are visible to the human eye, and his name is Pharrell Williams, and this is one beautiful NMD. This is the Pharrell Williams Human Race NMD from the Holi pack. Now let's get to the details. On the upper, we still get that prime knit upper, but we get a different stitching from the Yeezys. This, I feel, is a much more compact stitch, and then it is also much more stretchable. So if you guys take a closer look at the color scheme, this is a tie-dye, and it's in pink, green, and purple, and some orange. These are the colorways from the Holi Festival. The Holi Festival is a celebration of love and celebration of colors by the Hindu countries, or India, I believe. I'm not too sure. And this is, you know, a celebration of the victory of good over evil. So on the cage is something very, very beautiful. And I don't know, you guys have to feel it, but I think when you look at it, you can feel how soft and how smooth the cage is. You still get that tie-dye look on it, but it's darker, so it gives, you know, a boundary to the uppers. And then your laces, of course, is purple. It does come with the white laces, and I have not tried them on. So on the midsole, you get that boost, and I believe for the NMD, it's a much stiffer boost. But I have not tried too many NMDs, that's why I'm not too sure. But I still enjoy a lot of boost. I have 2 Ultra Boosts now, and this will probably stick in the collection. So there are 3 colorways in the Holi pack, and the other one, the black one, is the one that I was actually looking for. But over time, this thing grew on me, and right now, on hand, it is so beautiful. Like, wow. I didn't really have a pink sneaker until like the 4Ds recently. But this thing, this tie-dye here is wow. And even the message of the sneaker, it's just celebrate love, celebrate whether you're a different race, a different skin color. Just love the people all around you. And that's what I'm all for. Yeah, just spread love and not the virus. So if you guys enjoyed the video, go hit that like button for me and comment down below which of these 2 sneakers do you guys prefer? A yellow Yeezy 350 or a pink NMD? I really love these. I got this half the price from retail, and it is awesome. Anyways, stay safe. God bless. See you guys in the next one.